What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we got a Tesla here, brand new. Still got the temporary plates here. My friend bought this. So he wanted me to install the T. As you can see right there, I got my lights off in the shop. So there's the Tesla T right there. If you want to install this on your vehicle, all you have to do is go spend a couple of bucks. This is what it look like. So this is I don't know why he bought the purplish looking color. So it's a kit. There's a part number here, so you can find this online. Go to Tesla, get it from Tesla. I'm not sure if they sell it, but anyways, so in here you have a light right here. Let me turn on my camera light. So right here is your light. This is what it looked like. I popped it off. So what we did was we opened the kit up. Inside the kit, you're gonna have a flathead screwdriver, which I'm not gonna use, but you can use it. But we're gonna go to the front. I'm gonna show you how to do one, and the same process for all of them. But when you're doing this, your window might act kind of crazy, meaning it's gonna go zzz, and once you install it back, it's gonna go zzz, back up. Okay, so we're gonna go to the front now. So very simple and easy. Open the door. I don't have the car in any mode, no nothing. So I am gonna be using my this little guy, and I'm gonna take one of these with me. Very simple and easy. What you want to do is you want to go to this corner right here. You're gonna hear a little click, but that's fine. Try not to damage the panel. There you go. That's the click you're gonna hear. That's just it's releasing itself. So what you want to do is with the one hand, I'm gonna do this with one hand. This little connector has a little connector right there. So you're gonna squeeze that tab, and let's see if I could do this with the one hand. So we're gonna squeeze that tab, and this connector should come out. It's already released, and my window went clunk. I don't know if you heard it. So the window went down. Let's get this out. So all I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take this little guy, I'm gonna connect it, and it's gonna illuminate immediately, and the window is gonna go back up. So I'm gonna be quiet right now. Yeah, I think you guys heard that. The window went back up, and our Tesla emblem started to glow. There you have it. So if you guys want to install them to your vehicle, it's very simple. You're going to tuck in this little guy, and you want to install this in the manner that you don't want it this way, okay? You don't want it facing like that. It will go over there. So you want it right here. So when it opens, they give you good lighting. So let's put this baby back in. The harness got to go back in, and make sure you got it correct down here, as you can see right there. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to squeeze this in and click that in. So let's remove everything, and let's see what this baby look like. There you have it. So we'll close the door and open the door. That's it. Very simple, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you guys got any question, don't hesitate to send me a message. I got a few videos on this vehicle. Okay, we're gonna attempt to open this one more time. I'll put a little piece of paper on the floor to show you guys what it looked like. There you have it. It doesn't look so good with the paper there, but there you have it. That's how you're gonna, there you go, perfect. The Tesla emblem, the camera just focused on it. So that's how you're gonna install that, and all you need is a small little kit package. It all comes together, and there you have it. That's how you're gonna install this Tesla emblem. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Do the same thing for all 4 doors, and you're good to go.